Every company wants to be innovative, and it's not like your team has a shortage of ideas. Employees have plenty of them, tucked inside Slack channels, notes, emails, and whiteboards. The real challenge is harnessing them. Let's talk about why that happens and what you can do to change it. The first challenge is culture. An innovation culture is built on psychological safety. When employees fear that sharing an unfinished thought could hurt them, you lose your best ideas before they're even spoken. Building a true innovation culture means creating systems where ideas are captured, tracked, and seen, so contribution feels valued, not risky. Reward the people who experiment too, not only the ones who win. Here's the next one: alignment. Your teams might have hundreds of ideas, but if they don't connect to your business strategy, it all becomes noise. Clarity matters, so ask teams to link every new idea to a clear why behind your business. When that happens, decision-making becomes simpler, faster, and smarter. Then comes resistance. When new ideas surface or a strategy shifts, there's always that quiet hesitation. Change scares people, not because they dislike it, but because it's uncertain. Involve them early. Help them understand why change is happening. Give them ownership. When people feel part of the shift, resistance turns into momentum. Then we have intrapreneurship. Somewhere along the way, your smartest people stopped acting like founders. They wait for permission instead of chasing possibilities. That spark of intrapreneurship is still there, it's just buried under process. You can bring it back by giving employees time, tools, and a visible path from idea submission to recognition. That's how companies like Spotify and Lego reignited innovation from the inside. And of course, there's AI. Most leading organizations are already using AI to filter ideas, spot trends, and prioritize what matters. Yet many still manage innovation on spreadsheets. That's like running a marathon in dress shoes. It's possible, but painful. AI can help leaders and teams see the bigger picture. Encourage your teams to use AI to remove the grunt work, so people can focus on what humans do best: imagine. Innovation doesn't fail because people stop caring. It fails because their ideas get lost. That's why we built InspireIP, a space where ideas don't disappear into emails or slides, but can be captured from across every popular platform your teams already use, whether it's Jira, Microsoft Teams, Chat, or Trello. With InspireIP, every idea gets captured, tracked, and turned into results, and leaders get visibility into where innovation is actually moving. Because innovation doesn't happen by chance. It happens by design, so give your ideas a place to grow.